Chapter 3 study guide on limits, problem 1c. I want to evaluate this function as x goes to 4, but I'm guessing that it's not defined at x equals 4. Just a hunch. But let's find out for sure. So we want to go ahead and factor the numerator and the denominator as much as we can. So let's start off by recognizing that x squared minus 16 is a difference of squares. So we can rewrite that as x plus 4, x minus 4, and now in the bottom here we're going to have to go ahead and use what you all refer to as the squiggle method, aka factoring by grouping, to rewrite this. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on the fly. So if I look at my first term here, I ask myself what's the greatest common factor? Well, I can factor out an x squared from both terms. So I end up with, that's hard to see, back to my orange. So I factor out that x squared. I get x squared, and I'm left with x minus 4. Hey look, x minus 4. That seems like I'm getting the right place. That was a bad sentence. That's okay. And now if I look at my second term, my second group, I get x minus 4. Well, hey, let's not factor anything out of that, so we get plus 1 times x minus 4. And after I factor out that x minus 4 from both of those terms in the denominator, I can write it in its factor form as x squared plus 1 times x minus 4, quantity x minus 4. So now I see I'm going to have a hole at the x value of 4, so I'm going to rewrite it with the hole taken out, and now I can just go ahead and actually evaluate this function with direct substitution. So I go ahead and I take that x value of 4, I substitute in, so I get 4 plus 4 over 4 squared plus 1. And if I do math, I get 4 plus 4 is 8 over 4 squared is 16 plus 1 is 17. And I get that ugly answer of 8/17. Hooray!